In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hotmail, a process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. If you found yourself in need of Microsoft support or have any issues related to your Hotmail account, this guide will walk you through each step in detail, ensuring you know exactly what to do and where to go. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This is a key step since we'll be using Google to find Microsoft's contact page. In the search bar, type Microsoft Support Contact Us page. This will help you locate the official website where you can directly communicate with Microsoft for any Hotmail issues. Once you've typed that into Google, go ahead and press enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the link that mentions Contact Us Microsoft Support. This should usually be one of the first results. Click on it and it will take you directly to Microsoft's support website. This page is specifically designed to assist users like you who need help with their Microsoft products, including Hotmail. Now that you're on Microsoft's support page, you'll see various product options laid out in front of you. To proceed, you will have to select the product you need help with. Since we're dealing with Hotmail, which falls under the broader category of Microsoft products, go ahead and choose the relevant option here. This selection is vital as it guides Microsoft to provide you with the most accurate help regarding your specific concern. After selecting the product, the next step is to click on the Get Home Support option. This option ensures that you're directed to the right support avenue tailored for personal users with home use products. Clicking on this will bring up further guidance that could be resolving technical issues, account concerns, or any other personal support you might need. Finally, you'll need to type in your specific concern. Describe your issue as clearly and concisely as possible in the space provided. This will allow the Microsoft support team to understand your situation better and offer solutions tailored to your needs. Once you've submitted your concern, you may receive instructions on how to solve it directly or be given the option to contact an actual support agent for further assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to getting the support you need from Microsoft for your Hotmail account. Whether it's a technical glitch or just a general query, this method is an effective way to connect with Microsoft's dedicated support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you resolve your Hotmail issues swiftly and easily.